temptation in this moment is to make a video about myself, and I don't want to do that because I'm reminded that I come from India. I come from which India? I come from two Indias. Those are the Indias that I bring on stage with me right now. I come from an India where children in masks hold hands with each other, and yet I come from an India where leaders hug each other without masks. I come from an India where the AQI is 9,000, but we still sleep on the roof and look up at the stars. I come from an India where we worship women during the day and gang rape them at night. I come from an India where we claim to be divided over Bollywood on Twitter and yet are united by Bollywood in the darkness of a theatre. I come from an India where we scoff at sexuality and yet fuck till we reach 1 billion people. I come from an India where journalism is supposedly dead because men in fancy suits and studios give each other hand jobs, and yet women on the road with laptops are still telling the truth. I come from an India where we bleed blue every time we play green, but every time we lose to green, we turn orange all of a sudden. I come from an India where we laugh so loudly in the comfort of our own homes that you can hear us through the walls, and yet I come from an India where we break down the walls of a comedy club because you can hear laughter inside. I come from an India where old leaders will not stop talking about their dead fathers and young leaders will not stop following their living mothers. I come from an India that has the largest working population under 30 on the planet but still listens to 75-year-old leaders with 150-year-old ideas. I come from an India where every time we get information, we are always available to care for the PM, but we can't seem to get any information on PM cares. I come from an India where we kicked out the British, but yet we call the government the ruling party. I come from an India where women wear saris and sneakers and yet have to take advice from old men who have never worn a sari and will never get to take one off in their entire lives. I come from an India where our music is bahut hard, but our sentiments are bahut soft. I come from an India where people sleep outside on the road, outside the club, but man, 20 times a year the road is the club. I come from an India where we take pride in being vegetarians and yet run over the farmers who grow our vegetables. I come from an India where we claim to fully support the troops until it comes to their pension plans. I come to an India where we can never be on time no matter where we go. But yet we are always early on the CoWIN website for some reason. I come from an India where we have maids and drivers and yet want to come to America to do their job. I come from an India that self-serves, and I come from an India that self-preserves. I come from an India that will not shut up, and yet I come from an India that will not speak up. I come from an India that will accuse me of airing our dirty laundry, and yet I come from an India that wears their heart on their sleeve, irrespective of how dirty their clothes are. I come from an India that tells me every single day to go to Pakistan, and yet I also come from an India that invites Pakistanis over every single day. If only to whoop their ass on a cricket field. I come from an India that is going to watch this and say, this isn't stand-up comedy. Where is the goddamn joke? And yet I come from an India that will watch this and know that there is a gigantic joke. It just isn't funny. I come from an India where children living in basements and writing on comment sections have more courage than men in skyscrapers. I come from an India that is Hindu and Muslim and Christian and Sikh and Parsi and Jew, and when we all look up at the sky, we only see one thing together: the price of petrol. I leave you tonight and I go back to that India. Which India do I go back to? Both of them. Which India am I proud of? One of them. Which India is proud of me? None of them.
And coming back to Savarkar or Lakshmi Bai or Neta Bose, coming back to these people knew that the blood will flow, but it should not be Hindustani blood. They knew it. And they paid a price. Of course, वो आज़ादी नहीं थी, वो भीख थी, और जो आज़ादी मिली है वो 2014 में मिली है।
इसीलिए सब आपको कहते हैं कि आप भगवान हैं।
अभी मुझ पे 10 केस और होने वाले हैं इसके बाद।
अभी तो आप दिल्ली में हैं, वो तो बॉम्बे में, मुंबई में जाए,
जाना तो घर ही है ना।
आपने जो कहा इससे बिल्कुल जाहिर है, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि इस ऑडियंस में किसी को भी जरा सा भी शक या शुबा है कि आप किस तरफ जा रही हैं।
मैं किस तरफ जा रही हूँ? आपका शक बिल्कुल गलत है, आपका शक बिल्कुल गलत है। मैं एक शुद्ध नेशनलिस्ट हूँ, देशभक्त हूँ, और मेरा इंटरेस्ट सिर्फ देशभक्ति में है। मैं अपने काम से बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरे काम में इज्जत भी मिलती है, पैसा भी मिलता है, अच्छे कपड़े भी पहन सकते हैं, अफेयर भी कर सकते हैं, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं।
अच्छा,